Let's draw this mechanical part in front of us. Our dimensions are in millimeters, so we're gonna go new there and say metric standard millimeters and let's create. Here we are going to start with circles. So there's our first circle, then comes our second one. This one here needs to be 60 millimeters. Okay. Now this other one here needs to be 44 millimeters. Good. Then we're gonna go for the rectangle. So this rectangle needs to be 20 millimeters. So to 0 it is. And this whole thing here, okay, that whole thing over there needs to be 135. So 135 millimeters. Then you say, okay, sorry for that. After that, I'm gonna go for my second rectangle. So like that. And this needs to be 30 millimeters. Okay. And then comes my third rectangle, I think. That one needs to be 30 millimeters also, 30. From here to there, I need to have 15 millimeters. And this whole thing here needs to be 60 millimeters. Now I'm gonna draw this line here. This line here is my axis for reference. As you can see there, we have a hole. Sorry, we have a hole there. So that's the hole that I'm creating there. So I need to make sure that from here to there I have 30 millimeters. That is 30 millimeters. Good. Then I'm going to join this one here to there by making sure that this line here is parallel to that circle. After that, I'm going to go for this rectangle over here. And this rectangle needs to be 15 millimeters. So 15 millimeters it is. Thank you. And from here, okay, from here to there, I need to have 75 millimeters. So 75. Good. Once I have that, I'm gonna come for this this rectangle as well. That's one there. And this needs to be 15 millimeters. So 15. Good. Then I'm gonna draw this line here. That is the axis for that hole, this hole over there. So here I'll make sure that from here to there I have 25 millimeters. So 25. Good. And then since it's not clear there, this one here, this one needs to go to that. Good. Okay. Now I have all this in place. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come on 3D model. I'm gonna click on extrude. Now I want to extrude this whole part. I want to extrude that. Okay, let's say it needs to go that side so that we can avoid confusion. I need to extrude this part. Okay, I need to extrude this whole part as well. Right, this whole thing by 60 millimeters. So 60 raise. Now both sides of my drawing plane, I'm gonna click there. I'm gonna say okay, but I need to add, so I'm gonna say add. Okay, I need to cut that on there. So I'm going to select that drawing. Come here, that circle. I want to cut this one, so I'm gonna cut it. Okay, now it's out. I have the hole there. I'm gonna say plus again. I need to select, I need to have this here. Can you see that? That support over there. So I'm gonna come here, I say I need to have this one here. I'm gonna click this one, it can go through. But now I want to have 12 millimeter of it. 12 millimeter. Like that. Okay. Then I'll say okay. Then I'll go for visibility sketch. I'm gonna right click on my sketch, then I say visibility on. I'm gonna go for revolve. I'm going to revolve this part here. So you see that this one here against that axis, this one. Now I have that hole over there, which is good for me. You see, I have it over there. Okay. Then after that, I'm gonna say plus. I need to have a hole there. See that is full. So I'm gonna click here. Come, let's do like this. I'm gonna come here and click that. I say against this. Now, instead of leaving it that, I'm gonna say cut. Now that I cut, I have the hole. Can you see that? All right. Then I say plus because I need to cut here as well. So I come there, I select the axis against which I want to have my circle revolve. I say cut. Now I have a hole there as well, right? I'm gonna say, okay, now it's there. I'm gonna come back here, is right click on my mouse and say visibility off. I want to have all those lines out. As you can see, you have the frame of your mechanical parts. Now I'm gonna come here, I want to create a fillet. Okay, create a fillet there, create a fillet there as well, create a fillet here, create a fillet here as well. Remember this thing here, the thickness is 60, so I'm gonna have a fillet with a radius of 30. Now you have all those sharp corners gone. Now I'm gonna say okay. Now you have your mechanical parts as you wanted it. What you're gonna do next here is to give the material. So what you're gonna do is you come here, right? You select the material. So for us, it's gonna be carbon steel. There it is. Okay, you've done it. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye. Once you're done with that, what you can do next is you come on 3D model, you click on revolve, right? Now you select the profile that you want to revolve, and then you select the axis against which you want to revolve. Now you have your cone. Then you say, okay. After this, what you can do now is to give the material. So you're gonna come on here, right? You select maybe let's say carbon steel. Now you have it. Okay. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're going to enjoy it. For now, I'm going to ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye.